Bishnupur District Police Commando na ngarang numidang chathakiba thibuhumba ki thabak amada lona tingkraba Lalhauluf KCP People's War Group ki Commander ni Hyderaba mutum anaucha fabangangkre Amade National Games ta Meghalaya na medal masing yamna fangnaba Meghalaya gi Lengak na tungan ba Sports K Association kuntarukta lupa crore kuntra mapanga lakh tarataret ki senfam granin age oina piragani haina lautokre Kurumjare ISCOM News meng tabidu punamapu kheradari bamna taramno chare hujik pau sandong pizare Police ki maikaida yamna chawna mai pakpa kongthang ama oina Bishnupur District Police ki SP gi mijeng makhada ngarang numidang chathakiba thibuhumbagi thabak amada lona tingkraba Lalhauluf KCP People's War Group ki Fighting Commander ni Hyderabad mutum manaucha fabangamkre mutum manaucha faba matamda mahakaloina khusukulai kya amasu fangbangamle haire khusukulai sing aduda karvine ani magazine sing loina mobile phone handset sing yauri haire Lainga ki makhada thabak tawriba official singda akia khang pokhanduna sel khaiba made thika lawbada trainaba UNLFP ge miyoi ahum ngarang Manipur Police ke kangbu amana Imphal ge babupara manungdage fagat pangam kre haire fagalaba miyoi sing adude konthozam open dressing johini futaruk areas ibomcha leifam mongsangai awang leikai tokpam tomcha sing jahi yangkai manga leifam wangkai tokpam leikai amade Kaithel lakpam Sarachandra mangang jahi yangkai humdoi leifam khurai soibam leikai ahungai leiraktagini makoi ahumdagi magazine aniga konana 9mm gi pistol ani 9mm gi nongmai maru nipan .31 gi pistol ama maru mari yauba magazine ama mobile handset mari wallet ama sel oina lupa listing ahunga chunipan Aadhaar card khaw amuba amaga scooty amaga sufang le hari Thaubal District ki Lilong hangam thabidagi gari huranba BM Aziz Hasmir Kauba miyoi ama ngarang Manipur Police na higwok machugi registration number yaudaba Honda Activa amaga konana fagatkre amaromdana senkai thungkai kayada jenaba UNLF Ningol macha kangbugi miyoi amasu Lilong hangam thabidagi fagatki hari fagalaba misak adude Hayal Labuk Mayai Leikai dege Muhammad Islam Khan alias Atapa Jahe Kunmapan ni hari In kumja lising magachamapan kundagi hauna Manipurda illegal immigrant janglak kiba amade refugee sing lakiba akupa document sing yauba the implosion hainaming thonba lairik ama Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur na ngasi Imphal ge Manipur Press Club da phongkre lairik phongbagi thoramada Philem Rohan Singh social activist Asang Kasar President Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur Imphal Naga Forum gi co-convener Athon Kangmai Manipur Naga Youth Organization gi President Thotreingam Kaitang Imagi Maira gi President Sujata asina chingba luchingba singna saruk yakhe Lairik Phongbagi Thoramasada Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur gi President Asang Kasarna phongdokibada Manipur da yellow mi sing amade atopa Furup mayam sing matam sangna nungsi sanana hingminaram bani adubu khanghaudana changlakkiba illegal immigrant sing refugee singna lamdam asada lerak labaso masak khangdok tabana aikoi masen gi marakta awaba kaya piri Asigumba mayam asadagi Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur na the implosion hainaming thonba lairik ase phongbani lairik asigi mamangda silent invasion hainaming thonba laiminariba furup singa karamba mari leinei haiba takpa lairik ama phongki the implosion hainaming thonba lairik asida Lising magachamapan kundagi hauraga Manipurda lona changlakkiba illegal immigrant amadi refugee singi history lengak na thokiba order amadi notice sing Manipur archive amadi source kyadagi khongat chaduna documents sing collect tawduna lairik ase phongbani haike
1920 da ye lairamba document adu kumba mayam adu akhoina DC aduga Darban Manipur palinge da adu matamata Deputy Commissioner Manipur haina chalami adugi STO lairamba mayamna order thokiba refugees singi aduga maruaina 1973 da MP Pokai hokipna MP weringe da refugees singi paisa se khara pikmale budget ta khara hapio haibagi aduma later aduga manaba mayam Chief Secretary na thokiba mayam do akhoina thikalle hairaga Manipur archive tiki atotopa sources tiki laure hairaga punamaktu punsalaga akhoi Manipur da refugees sing se sumaina leirami 90 sumaina changlai aduga kampopi da sadar his se kamaina khunta kiba kamai lakiba haibigi maramda iraga akhoina mayam du khra khomjale hairaga andak akhoina governor da memorandum pishan kiba akhoi illegal immigrants identify tobio extend tobio haiba kumba Delhi da akhoina any cookie tribe ase Lothopio haibagi National Commission for ST da haikiba punamak asigi mayam ase compile tawraga collect tawrai hairaga puthokjaba adumba tokumaini aduna da implosion haina akhoina title se thongmani
Ingkumja lising mga chamapan may fudra tarita cycle da jomi khunja tara kuki lalaw sing na nong may nakaptun hat kiba thaudok adubo ningsing duna laikhidraba sing adubo ningsing duna ngarang numidang Churachampur district ki New Lamka da leiba Hebron Bank da leidiba jomi council gi office da miyamna mayra gatuna awaba phongdok pagi thauram ama pangthokre ningsing bayai madudi chahi aduma ke Jun kun marida kuki amade jomi ani gi marakta chauna ungkhatnaba fibam ama lakhibadagi miyoi kaya ama laikhidaba loinana ungkhatnabagi fibam adu kainathangda ingkumja lising amaga chamapan marfutara nipanda kuki amade jomi ani gi marakta yanaba ama lakpadagi lefkhe SP Chandel gi mijeng makhada Chakpikarong Police Station gi officer in charge TH Joy Martin na initiative lauduna Chakpikarong Police Station na ngasi Chakpikarong Bajar da drug awareness program ama pangthokre Chakpikarong gi akoibada leiba nahasing nupi singi lufki mihut kaya dukan famliba miyoi kaya yauna punna miyoi yangkhai romna saruk yaduna pangthokiba ngasi gi awareness program aduda maru oina Mayai kaba chunjak singna imung manung amade society da piriba traitheng singi matangda khanalaina ke masigalonina school amade college leiriba mafam singi meter chamagi akoibada hidak managi potlam sing amade mayai kaba chunjak sing yondaba amade Chakpikarong police station koliba mafam singi akoibada hariba potlam sing ase thingba haiba wafam kaya khanake tungda Chakpikarong bazar ge akoiba mafam singda saruk yakhiba singna miyamgi oiba khongchat amasu chatke Manipur Science and Technology Mastek Tayal Pata ngasidagi hauna chathagadaba numit nini gi oiba popularization cum demonstration of technologies haiba program ama hodokre thauramada lenga ki makok thongba official sing oina Science and Technology gi secretary Kengo Joringla Master ki director Dr. K.H. Rakis amadi director Science and Technology Homila Hongrei Nana Thauram aduda saru yakhe ngasi haudokpagi thauram asida tongan ba lamdagi lakpa farmer sing expert sing saru yakhe Manipur da lairiba farmer amade entrepreneur sing asida laijoriba technology sing maru oina farming da best toba technology sing oibana kari kanaba loba yabage haibadu lomi sing asida utlaga hayeng field puthaba oirabasu mastrekta laklaga kanaba lawjage hairabasu khudung chanaba haiduna technology sing ase matau karamna sizinagani kanaba karamna lawgani haibadu demonstration tawgadabani technology sing ase ichom chamba lomi amana hekta sizinaba haigadaba ngaktani loinana program asida farmer kontra mangana saru yagani Numit ninigi training asida soil organic taste toba thaknaba singda fluoride ke chang kayamna yawi haibadu yengnaba kit yauri santhi sayungdagi manure semnaba organic manure machine shu yauri unawana singdagi compost onthok gardening da sizinaba yanaba hotnaba amadi potato harvester mini dal mill asinachingba technology kaya ama training asida taknaba honagani haina Manipur Science and Technology Master Scientific Officer cum Program Coordinator Oriba Chanam Sarat Singh na phongdorakli Thauram loisilakpada haukiba June 8 mapan fauba chathakiba 3-day skill development training program on fabrication and management of aquarium tank da saruk yakiba singda certificate sing suyen thokhi Miyamgi punsi ngak senba oina lengak asina lokalakpa khongthang amagi matung inna Imphal East District ke manung chaliba Palace Compound da leiriba Government Dance College ki sang asibu lengak na sakhanglaba COVID-19 laitret ki changyang tofum oirgani haina sakhangalakre District asigi Deputy Commissioner Ngarang thokiba Cherol amada hairiba mafam asida district asigi manung da leiriba miyamna isa na laktuna COVID-19 laitret asigi matung da leinatraga leite haibadu khangnanaba changyeng tokthok piu hairi Member listing amaga chanirom leiba Diamond Donors ke mapok numit thauram pangthokre thauram aduda Diamond TV gi Wahong Radio gi Managing Director James Haikrujamna haikibada Diamond Donor ase Diamond TV Wahong Radio yengbiba tabiba sing kharana thagi senkhai lupa chama khainaduna semba group ni kanagumba member amana excellent natraga chronic disease tage leikidaba da mating pangbagi chatnabi leijai amade leibak ki nungaitaba thodo wathok kaya lakpada mating pangba loinana channel asige pukningi warolda awa ana paudamba donor team na inquiry tawraga tengbangba kaya tawba group amani haukiba irang asida leikidaba sokpadagi layengba ngamdana Leiriba kaya da tengbang duna lakli irang asina sokhalaba relief camp ta leiriba awa ana kaya da mateng pang duna lakli donor team ase nongmagi suba nomba thabak tawba tawdaba ahalaman ima ivil ichel maruma pang naha kaya punna yawba group amani amade wakalon manaba kaya ga adumak tengbang makha tana adumak chathakigani haike Women Empowerment and Social Inclusion Haiba Timda Yumfam Oidana Nomagi Oiba Consultative Workshop Program Ama Palace Compound Imphal da Leiba Maharaj Bodhchandra College ki Library Building gi Ahanba Floor da ngasi pangthokre Manipur University gi Center for Study of the Social Inclusion CSSI amadi IQAC Maharaj Bodhchandra College anina punna kusam naduna pangthokiba thoram asida CSSI Manipur University gi Director Professor Ais Sudhir Kumar Singh na Chief Case Maharaj Bodhchandra gi College Principal Dr. Bhavananda Singh na President amadi Vice Principal L. Dwijendra Singh na Guest of Honor oina saruk yaki Thauramga mari leinana Maharaj Bodhchandra College ki IQAC Coordinator Dr. N. Somarendra Singh na haikibada Program asina maru oina Women Empowerment amade Gender Inequality gi matangda mahiroi sing amade oja sing da hena khanghanba ngamlagani haike Thauram asida Chief Case oina saru yakiba Professor Ais Sudhir Kumar na haikibada Kunai ama chawkhatpada nupa nupi animak thong manana chatpagi tangai fadaba leiri haibada haimanba thokloi Society asigi thabak thoramda nupi sing nasu nupadagi tadana achoba thodang loribani sanmitlon fagathanba yauna leikai ama lamdam ama chawkhathanbada nupa nupi thidana chap manana Midyengda thodang lominasi haike workshop program asada CSSI Manipur University gi Associate Professor Dr. Tiam Bharat Singh na Chairperson oidana tongan ba topic singda technical session pangthoki Paugi marak thatna atenba break amatang lominasi
I come from Ukhrul, a small town in Manipur. While growing up, I didn't always see how my voice could shape decision. But I've learned something important. Every vote counts. And it begins with your name on the electoral roll. If you are turning 18 on or before the 1st of July, it's your time. It's your right. Register to vote. Don't wait to be told. Don't let others decide for you. Wherever you are from, your voice matters. Get registered as a voter and be counted. Count me in.
Break matungda mayam butaram nokchari. Lakadawriba inkumja lisingani kuntareta pangthokadawriba National Games asida Meghalaya gi sanaroi singna medal masing yamna fangnaba honabada Meghalaya gi leingak na tongan ba state asigi leiriba sports ki association kuntarukta lupa crore kuntramapan ge lakh taret ki senfam grant in age oina piragani haina lautokre Panbayay madudi lakadawriba inkumja lisingani kuntareta Meghalaya na yumbu oiduna Kuntramapan suba National Games ase pangthokadabani hariba National Games asida Meghalaya na yamdrabada medal yankhaidagi tarana fangnaba pandam thamli hariba grant in 8k senfam adu lautokladana Meghalaya gi Chief Minister Conrad Sangmana Paumi Singda Fungdokhibada Masana Kyagi Lairiba Association asida infrastructure kusukulai amadi manpower sing hengat hanaba lengakasina ahanbagi oina haidiba tongan ba Association asida lupa crore nimfurong gi senfam hana kaithok lagani masina lakadoriba National Games asida state asina afroba performance piba ngamnanaba sem saba honabani mamangi chahi taret lom asida sana khotnabagi lamda infrastructure kaya semgat kibalaikre kaya ama hojik pipeline de leire amade hairiba sing ase lakliba chahi inkumja lisingani kuntaruki mayai waida pungloi loiba ngamlagani hojik infrastructure sim sengatliba asigi oina lupa crore listing amaga chamapange senfam seasonary mamangda Uttarakhanda pangthokiba Kuntra nipalak suba National Games cha Meghalaya na supnatage medal manga khaklauduna medal masing yamna lawba ngamdana state ama oikiba ado Ningsing duna lakadoriba National Games ase state asina medal yankhaidagi tadana lawba ngamnaba punna honamina si haina so Conrad Sangman haike
the CBSE the books for certain subjects, those marks for that and the reflection of those in terms of the higher PGI marks that we should get will come in now, and then maybe that will add to a bit of improvement in our PGI ratings that are there. So these are very, very complex matters, and I'm totally agreeable that yes, we are very disappointed that we are not able to increase our ranking. But I can tell you one thing: it's not that we are giving up in any way. This is a big challenge for us, and I can assure you that we will, with these kind of reports are coming in, it just makes us want to work even harder, and we will continue to work hard to ensure that we will turn this around. And I'm very confident that with the team that's working right now, with the kind of results we are seeing, the interventions that we're doing, in spite of the massive challenges that are there, these results will improve. We will do better. Like sports, it took us a lot of time, but we're seeing this moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of tourism also, we're seeing things moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of health, we're seeing things moving in the right direction. Like in the areas of entrepreneurship, we're seeing things move in the right direction. I'm sure education also, it'll take a bit more time, but I'm sure that we'll get it.
FCT Idol BSF tagi pirakpa intelligence ki pau amada yumfum oiraga ngarang chathakiba operation amada CID Idol amade Chamaga Marfudra Mathoi Suba Battalion BSF Dortlange Apunba team amana Borelo Gari amadage Lona Puramba 7.62 mm gi nongmai maru lising ahumga supna nipan fagat pangamkre Siling village ta ngarang chathakiba operation aduda fagalaba nongmai maru sing ase malem ki kaitel da lupa lakh taratarukka lising yangkai mari rong ki senfam oigini hari Borelo pick off adubo Thaurakkiba miyoi adudi idol ge Dwangtui dage Lala Witanga kawi hari fagalaba polam sing aduga driver ga punna Bongkau police station da kusinakri hairi United States ki President Donald Trump na Israel amadi Iran anigi marakta ceasefire taunakri haiba wafam adu yengbada taunadriba manba thawong amada ngarang ahing nongyaida Israel gi lanmi singna gajada landaduna yamdrabada Palestine macha kunma thoirom hatkri haina Al Jazeera report tawrakri Masigi mamangda Iran nuclear gi polam sing paifam singda United States na landaduna Amangata thohan ki haiba wafam adu thoidong na akai atoi yaw ki de haiba intelligence ki report adubu White House na yakidre Numetara ni thoi ni chupna changsilak liba lan asida Israel amadi Iran anina makoi na lan mai pak le haina claim taunari Iran gi konung Tehran da miyamna harauba fongdoknari aduga Israel dana Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu naso mahak masana lan mai pak le haina fongdokli leibak anigi lan asida Iran da angang tara humdo yauna yamdrabada mioi tatruk tara lekhidre mioi lising ahumga supna yangkai tarukna asoka pannang ki haire Israel dana yamdrabada mioi kunipan Iran landarakpada sikre haire Gajagi mathakta Israel na chuthakiba attack tuna yamdrabada mioi lising yangkai tarukka supna homfutara taret sikre amade mioi lak amaga lising kuntrama thoiga chunipanga nifunipan na asoka pannang ki haina Gajagi Health Ministry ge maikai dage khangalakle Lagliba July kundagi hoduna July kuntra fauba Punjab ke Amritsar da chathakadaba Juniors Boys National Football Championship for Dr. BC Roy Trophy 2025-26 Tier 1 da Manipur team gi oina saruk yanabagi khangatlaba players singna coaching cum trial taunabagi damakta takyel da leiba sai ground da tha asigi tang kuntaruke pung taret faubagi manungda report tawinaba haina All Manipur Football Association AMFA gi General Secretary L Jertimor Royna thadurakpa cherolamada khangalakle aroibada maroiba paw mana pizari Bishnupur Police Commando na ngarang numidang chathakiba thibuhumbagi thabak amada lona thingkraba lalholuf KCP People's War Group ke commander ni haijaba mutum manau cha fabangam kre amade National Games ta Meghalaya na medal masing yamna fangnaba Meghalaya ge lengak na tongan ba sports ke association kuntaruta lupa crore kuntra mapan ga lakh tara taret ki sent from granin age oina piragani haina lauthokre Hojik fawi oina di ISCOM news na pijaba Manipuri pau matanga solution jari meng tabiru punamak pomu kana krum jari